Hey y'all, welcome back to the Lady and Sons. We're here for Cinco de Mayo. We're gonna make Jamie's Texas Margarita, Savannah style. So this is a drink that we've been making here in the slushy form. We don't generally do it on the rocks or anything like that. Got this big nice machine. We make it in 3, 6, 9, or 12 gallon batches. This time of year we're making about 9 gallons at a time. But we're gonna show you how to make it at home. If you don't have some of these things, I'll show you a nicer, easier way to do it. Here in the restaurant, we have a rimmer that we use for our glasses to get that salt, sugar, or whatever kind of rim we want on it. But I'm going to show you how to do it at home with just a couple plates and some lime juice. So I just squeezed a fresh lime and just a little bit of kosher salt. And when we make this drink, we're just going to just coat the outside just a little bit and go from there. So with this drink, we're going to use El Jimador Reposado. You could use any tequila you really want. I like Reposado in my margaritas, but everybody likes different things. So we're going to do 6 ounces of tequila. This is not a 1 drink batch. This is going to make you about 4 drinks. And you can just pass it around, put it back in the refrigerator, freezer, save it for the next time. So we're going to use our handy dandy measuring cup. I'm a little heavy on it, but that'll be okay. So just put ice in the blender. We're going to add some limeade here in just a minute, and it's going to be cold as well, so I don't use a whole lot of ice. We're going to use a wheat beer, Southbound. They're a local brewery here. They're super great. They have a lot of seasonal beers, but this is one they generally carry. They also carry all the time a beer called Mountain Jam, which is probably my favorite. It's very citrusy, but it's a little too heavy, in my opinion, to have in this. So our restaurant in Pigeon Forge, they decided to do it with Corona. It tastes just as great. We tried it here. But we like to feature local beers and local spirits here in Savannah because it's a big community down here. So with this, we're going to use 4 ounces. So it's half a cup. Same thing, you can go a little heavy on it if you want. Either way, this can's open, so you got to drink it anyways. So if you want to put the whole thing in there, go ahead. What makes this different is this. So this limeade that you can buy at the grocery store, I remember drinking this as a kid. We're going to take this whole thing and dump it right on in. We will put a recipe for a homemade limeade if you don't want this. That's how we have to make it because we can't buy all of these for making gallons of this stuff. And then this is 4 ounces of orange juice. Go right in there. We're going to blend it up and have us a good drink here in just a moment. All right, y'all, we're going to rim our glass. So we have these for our slushies here in Savannah. They're complimentary when you get a slushie. You can also get them in our retail store. We sell them by the sleeve, or you can just get one with iced tea if you really want. So let's use our lime juice, coat the outside of the rim, and the same thing. See, it looks just like you're going to get it in any restaurant, and you can do this right at home. So I know this drink is already kind of frozen, but it needs a little bit more ice, just enough to give you some in the bottom. I love these because they have the spout. Nothing's going to come out. That's enough for a drink, but if you're like me, you want a little bit more. Here at the Lady and Sons, we have a couple different flavors you can drink with these. We have a prickly pear, we have peach, mango, strawberry, or you can just drink it just like it is. That's a good margarita.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.